From your high-definition news leader, this is 2 News Now, the #1 online newscast.
And good evening, everyone, and welcome to 2 News Now. That's right, we begin with breaking news. I'm Nick Lulli. Tropical storm Bonnie has formed near the Bahama Island chain. Let's show you that satellite imagery. Right now, behind me, you can see this is basically what we're seeing of Bonnie, which was formerly Tropical Depression 3 earlier in the day. It's still disorganized, sort of getting its act together, and that's why we think gradual strengthening will happen as it continues to move towards Florida. Now let's show you that those model plots there. As you can see, the models are taking it in a general consensus direction towards southern Florida. However, in the last few hours, we've seen a northwest jog. So if you can follow just these models here, which are tightly packed together, sort of taking it probably towards Marathon, between Key West and in Miami, Florida, which would be Marathon, the Marathon area and the Keys. Maybe let's shift that a bit north to where the actual southern peninsula would be more in the bullseye. But continue to follow the latest products, and of course down here on our crawl, you can see that nice little crawl over the blue bar. You can get the latest warnings and watches because we do have tropical storm warnings and watches issued the entire Florida Keys, basically up to Miami-Dade County under a tropical storm warning. Just north of there, watch, and on the west coast of Florida we have warnings as well. Let's show you Miami-Dade County live Doppler radar. On the Doppler, you can see we have some outer bands actually moving in, and they're going to come off of the Atlantic Ocean and head over peninsular Florida, and that's when we're going to start seeing the gusty winds, you know, the heavy rains, and just lots of debris. You're going to see debris as well because we are going to be seeing winds of about tropical storm strength. So definitely look at that. Now here locally on the first coast, we're not going to probably see as many direct impacts as we originally thought. There might be a landfall near central Florida. However, the more north the system goes, the more our winds and rain chances will go up. So for now, we're going to be showing you basically rain and wind for your Friday, Saturday, and your Sunday, and that's why we've issued a weather alert for those 3 days. However, once Bonnie passes us by and we get out from under cover of all that rain and wind, we will see the heat return. But keep watching 2 News Now for more updates on the conditions that the first coast can expect from the second tropical storm of the 2010 Atlantic hurricane season.